Laki ba ng mata mo? Ha?
Labo to.
Ha?
Kanina, liwanag.
Hello?
Today, really marks the first stage of an unprecedented technological
Nga.
to identify the so-called Goldilocks planet.
Anong oras na?
Share a similar
Tulog ka na.
sun as we have. Planets too far away from the sun is too cold, it's too close to the sun, it's too hot. But for an Earth-like planet, the distance is just right.
Hello to mama. Dali. Hello mama.
Finally managed
Hello. Flying kiss. Ang galing sa pa. Ang galing peekaboo. Peekaboo, gano'n lang. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Dalawa kamay. Peekaboo.
Peek, peek, peek. Peek, peekaboo.
Kita lihat.